Hey, what is up guys? Ghost here with another video on Ghostly Cars. This morning I'm back at my friend Will's house, so we're going to be doing the high flow cats on his M37x, which is the same car as mine, just a little bigger. And yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys this, video and see, if there's anyone else with the M that's doing this. I have permission from him to record this. And yeah, so basically we're just gonna be putting test pipes / high flow cats on his car. And yeah, he also has intakes on as well, which is pretty awesome. But I'll see you guys whenever he arrives. Alright guys, we're back under the M37 with Will. What's up, Will?
What's up?
So while I was not here last night, he kind of got off the wire pipe, and that's what we're looking at right there for the cats. So you want to take the camera and try not to just show them? So
we get right up here. We got another bolt at the very top we have to get off. I still have to get my O2 sensor out. You guys probably cannot see up there.
I was gonna say.
Some PV blaster probably a shit ton of heat.
But we can't because of the subframe.
But we're working it. We're not managing to do it. You guys back to camp.
And then we got this one still over here because this one, of course, it has two of them. Currently, we jacked up the car, and I'm right under the car. Let me go ahead and show you guys the ones that he got. All right. These are the ones that he got, ISRs, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, let's go back under here, and I'll be back with you guys whenever we get another part of this off. It's gonna be really hard to film. All right, so the story gets more, guys. So legitimately, like, we cannot get off the bolts under here. Let me get that real quick. This is the M though, but under here, we're having to PV blaster it over there. And basically the nuts are rusted so bad, or bolt nut, whatever, right? That legitimately, like, I can probably get it from over here, but you can kind of see that, like, it's supposed to be like a 13, but it's like you said it was like a 14 or 13 and a half with the rust on there. Also, I figured out when we rent here, look. This right here, that's what we went up on. I don't even know what that is. I guess heat shielding or whatever. Oh, insulation is what it is. Yeah, so this is where we're at here. Is it working? So you guys got the O2 sensors up too, as well? Are they fully out, or are they still in the... How much is that? What? Dang, bro. That sucks. Are you leaking oil or no? Are you leaking oil or something? Up here? Okay.
There's just a lot of oils everywhere.
That's true. That's very true. I mean, look at the floor. When I say, guys, legitimately last night we were here, and I was here until like 12, and then this dude stayed up like till 2 a.m. with trying to do this. Didn't you, Will? Yeah, we'll be back with you guys whenever we get a little bit further on this, or something else happens. Alright, so update. So update for you guys. So we kind of have a big impact over there, and basically we're trying to figure out how to get down in there. You can kind of see it from up here, but yeah, that right down there, that like pipe down there, that's what we're trying to get to, and it's just seized on there. So if I come around this way, okay. Basically, what's happening is we have this thing. Hold on, move this away. We have this thing right here and this thing could not even get it out. This is like a maximum like brushless, like full on. Like let's see how much this has on here. Let's see how much. It's a whatever 18 volt. Yeah, it's a max. It's a big one. It's a very big one. And then we had the heat up down there, so you can kind of see it down there. I don't know if you can. There we go. So you see that bolt down there that's in the corner? We sprayed a bunch of stuff on it, and then we also like full on just like heated it up with a torch, and it did not come off. So now we're just kind of, you know, trying to figure out what to do and get some help. So well, we'll be back with you guys soon. I know, right? There we go. Got him. I just gotta get the other piece off.
Sticking out of battery.
Are you? Oh!
I don't think I touched myself unloading.
I think it touched that little cover though. This feels very sketch because of the fact that the car is legitimately, you can't see it in person. Like look at this. We got the tire this far up off the ground here. We got everything under there. And then we got if you come back around here, we got this one off the ground by like a foot. And then over here we got this one that's got all the weight of the car on the back corner, and you can see like how how it is here. And then this one's off the ground down there. Yeah, this is our setup, guys. This is our setup. This is our setup right here. And we got Will here, all decked out in the winter gear right here. Isn't that right, Will? Woo! That's hot. You good? Did the blade just snap? It's bent? Oh. Oh. Oh, show it on camera. Hey guys. Hey guys. This is the journey we gotta do to get the high flow cats, isn't it, Will?
Shit, bro. If this shit's just like that, that shit fucking little cat.
Legitimately though. Let's go for it. It's pit for the cats. I'm in the line of fire. Yeah, I should probably move. I should probably move down. How far up you going? Is it going in? No. Alright. So after a whole day of working on this, we're gonna call it a day for today. There's gonna be a part 2 to this video where we, finish the whole thing. But just so you guys you guys have something of interest, we're putting on the intakes again. And actually, I'm gonna come around here and put on the other one for you. But yeah, we're gonna start it up without the exhaust. So we're gonna hear how that sounds. Where's your other intake? You just want to plug it in. All right, we got the intakes back in, and then of course I had to do the obligatory, cover the license plate because why not? And then we're gonna start it up. So. Let's see how it starts up. Yeah. Let's hear what's gonna sound. I'm recording it, so you know. Where's your phone at? Where's your phone at? Well, you didn't want to shut the. Also, that plate, that's cuff's about to fall. You want to stand back here. Alright. Dang!